I'm Marketing Communications Manager for Utilities, Alexa Langdale, and today we're at our Poreroa office to talk to Manoj about his role at AE Smith. What does AE Smith do?
AE Smith are mechanical contractors focused mainly on the HVAC industry with regards to installations of air conditioning and medical gas.
And what's your team like? Are they quite fun or what do they do?
My team comprises of engineers, draftsmen, site installation. So generally the team just collaborate to get the project going and keep the client happy.
So can you tell me where you're from?
I'm from Johannesburg, South Africa.
I'd love to visit South Africa one day, that would be amazing. What made you move to Wellington?
New Zealand, Wellington, it's a natural beauty. There's lots of opportunities for engineers, tradesmen, and obviously I love the outdoors, so New Zealand's just perfect.
And can you tell me what some of your hobbies are? What do you do in your spare time?
Most of my spare time on the weekends I'm out on the cycle trails around Wellington, exploring, hiking, cycling.
What would you say to somebody looking to move to New Zealand from South Africa or another country?
New Zealand has lots of opportunities for engineers, tradesmen, the natural beauty, the people are fantastic, great place to be.